21 DIY Home Remedies for Cough. Cough is an infection of the upper respiratory tract, can cause swelling and irritation of the upper airways. Although it is a common health problem in everyone but not serious if ends in a week or 10 days. Cough occurs when there is a blockage or irritation in your throat or upper air passages. It is because of common cold, flu, viral infections, smoking or other health problems. Itchy throat, chest pain, sore throat, congestion, feverish is some of the symptoms of cough which will irritate you. Generally, there are two types of coughs. First one is wet or productive cough, which yields mucus and is caused by cold, allergies and other respiratory problems. Second one is dry or unproductive cough, which is caused by cold, cigarette smoke, dust, fumes and other forms of irritation. Here, both remedies for both the types of cough are mentioned. Go for these natural homemade remedies which cures your cough naturally rather than over-the-counter medicines and syrups which causes harm to your body and brain. Home remedies for cough. Home remedies are simple and effective treatments which can cure the problem without any side effects to your body and mind. So, go for these natural remedies to cure your cough. 1. Saltwater gargle. Saltwater helps to draw the excess fluids from the inflamed areas in the throat to reduce the cough. Gargling helps to remove irritants in the throat and thins the mucus. Ingredients: 2 teaspoons of salt, a glass of warm water. Process: mix the salt in a glass of warm water. Use this as a mouthwash to gargle your mouth. It reduces the soreness in your throat and then cough. Do it for 3 to 4 times a day to get rid of the sore throat and cough. 2. Garlic and honey. It has both antibacterial and antimicrobial components which help to treat cough. Honey will soothe the irritation. Remedy: 1. Ingredients: 2 to 3 cloves of garlic. Cup of water. 1 teaspoon of oregano. 1 teaspoon of honey. Process: take 2-3 cloves of garlic. Boil it in a cup of water. Then add teaspoon of oregano. Allow it to cool for some time to reach room temperature. Add some honey into it. Drink this liquid for at least twice for a day. This process will help you in breathing and reduces the cough symptoms. Remedy: 2. Ingredients: 2-3 cloves of garlic. Few drops of clove oil. 1 teaspoon of honey. Process: take the cloves of crushed garlic. Mix it with few drops of clove oil. Add honey to it to get relief from sore throat. Eat it regularly until you get relief from the cough and its symptoms. Or you can simply take garlic in your cooking. 3. Onions. Onions are rich in sulfur that are highly antibacterial, which helps to cure the cough. Remedy: 1. Ingredients: 2 sliced onions. 1 cup of water. 1/2 cup of honey. Process: take onions and water into a glass Pyrex pan. Bake it at 250 degrees in the oven for 30 minutes. Take it out and pour the juice from pan. Then add honey to the juice. Mix it well until the honey dissolves in it. Drink it daily to get relief from the dry cough. Remedy: 2. Ingredients: 1/2 tsp of onion juice. 1 tsp of pure honey. Process: take onion juice and mix it well. Pure honey. Swallow this solution at least twice a day. It helps to alleviate cough and soothe your throat. 4. Hot milk and honey. Hot milk with honey will give relief from the dry cough and reduces chest pain, which comes from continuous coughing. Ingredients: 1 glass of hot milk. 1 teaspoon of honey. Process: take 1 glass of hot milk. Add honey in it and mix it well. Drink it to get relief from coughing. It's better to take it while going to sleep. 5. Cayenne pepper. It can desensitize the tickling and reduce the coughing. It reduces the chest pain caused by continuous coughing. Remedy: 1. Ingredients: 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. 1/4 teaspoon of ground ginger. 1 tablespoon of honey. 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. 2 tablespoons of water. Process: mix all the ingredients to make a cough syrup. Drink this syrup 2 to 3 times a day to get relief from the cough. Do this regularly until you get rid of the cough. Remedy: 2. Ingredients: 1/4 teaspoon of dried cayenne pepper, 1 or 2 cups of cold or warm water, as per your comfort. Process: take the dried cayenne pepper powder. Stir it in a cup or 2 cups of water. Sip it slowly to get relief from the cough and its symptoms. 6. Carrot juice. Carrots are rich in vitamins and nutrients which help to build immunity to prevent from the cold, cough. Ingredients: 5 to 6 carrots. Few drops of water. 1 teaspoon of honey. Process: take fresh carrots and make it juice with the help of mixture and blender. Add water to dilute it. To enhance the taste, add 1 teaspoon of honey to it. Drink it 3 to 4 times a day. Take it regularly until you get relief from the cough and its symptoms. 7. Ginger. Ginger helps in promoting the salivation and mucus secretion which gives relief from the cough symptoms. Remedy: 1. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of ground ginger. 1 teaspoon of honey. Process: take a teaspoon of ginger. Mix it well with honey. Drink it for 3 times a day to get relief from chronic cough. Remedy: 2. Ingredients: ginger. Cup of water. Process: take fresh ginger and cut it into small slices. Crush them slightly. Take a cup of water and pour the ginger slices in it. Boil it for few minutes. Now drink this herbal solution for 3 to 4 times a day. It will give relief from the sore throat, coughing as well as congestion. Remedy: 3. Ingredients: take fresh raw ginger. Process: take a fresh raw ginger. Clean it well. Chew it on and off throughout the day. It reduces the cough and its symptoms. 8. Lemon and honey. Lemon is rich in vitamin C and honey can soothe the throat which helps to prevent the cough. Remedy: 1. Ingredients: juice of half a fresh lemon. A glass of hot water. 1/2 teaspoon of honey. Process: take a mug and pour hot water into it. Stir the lemon juice. Then add honey to it. Mix it well and drink it slowly. Or you can just mix the lemon juice and honey. Heat it for few minutes and take this syrup. But taking it with hot water causes you to sweat and rid of the virus that causes the cough. Take this syrup to reduce your cough. Remedy: 2. Ingredients: small piece of ginger. Honey. Lemon juice. Process: take all the ingredients. Make a tea with these ingredients. Drink this tea as often as you like. This tea helps to reduce your cough and its symptoms. Remedy: 3. Ingredients: fresh lemon juice. A little bit of honey. Process: take fresh lemon juice. Add a little bit of honey to it. Then add a pinch of cayenne pepper. Mix it well until all dissolves completely. Drink it slowly and regularly. 9. Honey in green tea. Green tea gives you the necessary vitamins which help to build the immune system to get rid of the virus faster. Honey also helps to reduce the cough. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of honey. Mug of green tea. Process: take a mug of green tea. Add a tablespoon of honey into it. Mix it well and sip it. If necessary, repeat the process. 10. Honey, butter and vinegar. Butter soothes your throat, honey is a cough suppressant and vinegar is an antiseptic. All this works well to get relief from the cough. Ingredients: small pat of butter. 1 teaspoon of honey. 1 teaspoon of vinegar. Process: take a small pat of butter in a plate. Add honey and vinegar. Mix it well to make it like a fine paste. Eat this paste to prevent the cough. 11. Mustard seeds. Mustard seeds contain sulfur which stimulates the flow of mucus. It helps to get wet cough. Ingredients: few mustard seeds. Cup of warm water. Process: take mustard seeds and break it into small pieces. Allow it to soak in water for about 15 minutes. Strain it and crush it to form 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Now put this in a cup of warm water. Allow it to sit for about 15 minutes. Then drink this solution, which will give you relief from the pain. 12. Pepper. Pepper is very helpful to those who suffer from cough due to thick mucus. It helps to stimulate the circulation and flow of mucus in the airways. Remedy: 1. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of black pepper. 1 tablespoon of honey. Cup of boiling water or milk. Process: take black pepper into a cup. Add honey to sweeten it. Then pour boiling water or milk. Steep it for about 10 to 15 minutes. Stir it and sip it slowly. Process has to be repeated to prevent the cough. Remedy: 2 ingredients. Fresh lemon, cut it in a quarter pieces. Black pepper powder. A pinch of salt. Process: take quarter of fresh lemon. Sprinkle it with black pepper powder and salt. Suck on it to get quick relief from the cough. 13 Thyme. Thyme and peppermint has antimicrobial and antispasmodic properties to get relief from hacking cough. Both these will help to clear the congested air passages. Mullein and licorice will soothe irritation of membranes and thus reduces the inflammation. Remedy: 1 ingredients. 2 teaspoons of all that is, dried thyme, peppermint, mullein, licorice root. 1 cup of boiling water. 1/2 cup of honey. Process: take all the ingredients except honey. Mix it well in a cup of boiling water. Cover it and let it sit for about 30 minutes. Now strain the solution. Add honey to it, and if honey doesn't dissolve in it, heat the solution lightly. Take 1 teaspoon whenever get cough, which helps to get relief from the cough. Store the remaining in a container and put it in the refrigerator. Repeat the process whenever you have cough. Remedy -2 ingredients. 2 teaspoons of crushed leaves. 1 cup of boiling water. Process: take crushed leaves of thyme, pour it in boiling water, cover it and steep it for 10 minutes. Strain the tea to drink slowly. 14 Slippery elm. Slippery elm contains gel-like substances which helps to ease the throat from irritation and make your cough to get reduced. It is mainly useful for dry cough. Ingredients: slippery elm. Water. Process: make tea with slippery elm and water. Drink it twice a day to prevent the cough. Or simply suck the lozenges made of slippery elm or even candies to prevent the cough. 15 Mullein tea. It acts as an expectorant and loosens trapped mucus to prevent the cough. Ingredients: dried mullein herb. Cup of water. Strain.